Hi, I'm Miss Diana. This was a selection of the week, the carrot seed, about a little boy that planted seeds and he tries really hard until he ends up getting a carrot. For the follow-up activity, if you have paper at home, you can take your child on a walk and you could pick up whatever you could find on your nice walk. Flowers, leaves, grass. Make sure you have a bag to put it in. And when you get home, you can give your child a paper and have it pasted on the paper. And that's like a walk nature collage. Thank you so much and have a beautiful day. Bye-bye.